Euro gets absolutely slammed following a ruling by the German Supreme Court. Basically, there was this court case in the German court system, and it was going through, and there were basically these people trying to say that the ECB's QE program, so in their QE program, they're buying government debt of the various Eurozone governments to try and keep the cost of debt low. These people were trying to say that that program was a violation of the German constitution. However, this court, they didn't rule that it was actually a violation of the constitution, but they did, it was kind of a weird ruling because it was like, did they rule against it? Did they rule for it? So they didn't rule completely against the ECB's actions, but they did say that if the ECB within 3 months cannot prove that its purchase program is proportional, which I think means shares it evenly or fairly evenly among different Eurozone countries' debt in terms of what it's buying. If it can't prove that its program is proportional, then the Bundesbank, which is the German national central bank, which is part of the ECB, will have to withdraw from the QE program. And if that did happen, that could potentially be disastrous for the ECB, because obviously the ECB is made up of all the national central banks, which have all come together under the euro, and they all work together to do ECB policy. So it's almost like all of a sudden the Eurozone isn't governed by one central bank anymore. There'd be the ECB minus the Bundesbank, and then the Bundesbank again, and it would just, to be honest, it would all just be a disaster for the ECB. And what is the ECB's #1 mission? To hold the Eurozone together. So all of this, guys, just creating more division in the Eurozone. We've seen it in the market reaction. Euro got absolutely slammed. Stocks also at the same time got hit. So did other risky FX currencies like AUD, NZD, CAD. Just general risk sentiment and Euro took a bit of a beating in wake of this decision, because it just raises the risk of another Eurozone crisis. Remember the last one in 2010 to 2012? That was a debt crisis. We could get a repeat of that. Debt costs in Italy and other countries spiraling out of control as investors lose confidence in the ECB's ability to hold the Eurozone together. History could certainly repeat itself here, guys, and we are going to be all over it going forward. It's going to be a very, very interesting theme, this 3-month deadline for the ECB to basically prove that they are proportional in their QE program. Check out our memberships. That is pretty much it from me for now, and I'll see you in the next one.